Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Emma Elizabeth and I'm a part of the pro team here at Cryolan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your perfect lip shade. Firstly, you need to decide on what skin tone you have. This could be from cool to warm, and if you're neither of these or both, you could actually be neutral. So what I mean by cool and warm is simply whether or not the colour has a bluish undertone or whether it has a warmth like a red or an orange. The best way that you can actually test this is by looking at your veins. So I would say that I am a neutral undertone. This is because I have both pink undertones and also yellow. You can see this by looking at my veins. It starts off blue and works its way down into a more greenish tone. If you are a cool undertone, you should see more of a bluish tint to your veins. And if you are more warm, you'll see more of a greenish tint. So in theory, if you are a cooler undertone, cooler colours in lipsticks will tend to suit you better. This goes the same for warmer undertones. Warmer coloured lipsticks will look better on you as well. If you're a neutral, you do tend to be able to get away with both. To demonstrate, I'm going to be using the Lip Rouge in LRP3. Your warmer shades are anything that has a slightly more orangey undertone, and anything on the cooler spectrum tends to have more blue. You then have your neutral shade, so this is a well-balanced red. This just means that there is also blue and orange both in the mixture. When you're choosing your pinky shades, sometimes it can be really overwhelming as there are many different colours. If you're choosing a hot pink, generally this will be in your warmer complexions. If it has more of a purple undertone, that does mean that there is a blue, which actually means it's slightly cooler. So when choosing your nudes, it would be the same principle. As you can see, you have more of your cooler nudes, which would be this one here and this one here. And then you have some more of your warmer nudes, which would be this one here and this one here. Then you have more of your neutral shades, and this is because they come with both colours in. So I'm going to show you how you can find your perfect nude to suit you. For me personally, I like to use the natural colour of the lip as my guideline. I can see that my lip has a natural pink to it, which would actually be the closest to this shade. However, because this is a strong pigment, I'm going to use the slightly muted shade, which will come out more as a nude. That being said, makeup is completely personal, and finding your lipstick shade should be something that's chosen by you, the one that is going to make you feel the most beautiful and powerful. So I'm going to be applying the LC196. For me personally, I really enjoy wearing a pinky nude. This is just because my natural lip colour has more of a pink tone through it. I know that this can be such a minefield when it comes to choosing your perfect lip shade. So if you have any questions or you want me to go into depth with anything more, please make sure you leave a comment below, and I promise you, personally, we will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching.